Hi, my name is Mitch Eilerman with RV Wholesalers. Today we're looking at the 2023 Rockwood Geo Pro. The model is a 16BH. The biggest thing that what people are going to like about this unit is it's very compact and very light. It does have the higher quality, so you're going to have a full aluminum frame construction. You've got all Azdel construction, so you don't have to worry about warping. You don't have to worry about the frame ever rotting out on you either. The spec wise on the unit, you're going to be looking at, you're only coming in at 3,200 as far as your pounds, your dry weight. Overall length of the unit is 18 foot 6 inches, total length including the tongue. It does feature one slide out with your with basically your kitchen slides out. You'll have a front U-shaped dinette that goes to a bed, and then you've also got two rear bunk beds and a separate shower and toilet as well. Hey, my name is Mitch Eilerman from RV Wholesalers. Today we are going to look at a Rockwood Geo Pro 16BH. This is the brand new 2023. I'm starting on the outside. It's going to look a lot like previous years. A very aggressive front end. You're going to have frameless windows, power awning, LED lights, outside speaker. On this particular model, you have an exterior refrigerator back here. Every Rockwood does come with a little table and then a griddle, sort of like a Blackstone griddle, just a different brand that slides on here, so you'll be able to cook and everything right here. As you come to the back here, new this year on 2023s, they are doing a 2-inch receiver on the back of the Geo Pros, where they've never had that before. So that was always, people would say, why, where do I put my bikes and stuff like that? They never had a bumper, right, to put it on or anything. Now they've got a receiver, so you can put a 2-inch receiver for bike rack or utility rack or something back there as well. Does have storage underneath. Does feature backup camera prep. Full walk-on roof with a rear ladder. Next, we're going to move on to the inside. I'm going to show you it's a very compact unit, so we'll show you the features on the interior as well. As you come on to the inside, what you're going to notice is right when you walk in to your right or toward the front of the trailer, you're going to have a U-shaped dinette. What's nice about this is, I've got plenty of places to sit. Got a family here, we can all sit here. Got a cool window with a shade that pulls up and down. So you got your front window that looks out. You got a window here, you got a window there. This does go down to a bed next, okay? It is directly across from your TV. So you've got a TV on this side, right? Where you can connect in everything. It's got your breaker panels. It's got your one control. That's something new this year. You get your one control where you can operate everything right from your phone and everything as well. Moving over next to our kitchen. So this is a slide out. What's going to feature in your slide out is you're going to have a 12-volt residential fridge. You've got a convection microwave, so you can bake or just use it for a regular microwave. It does have your burners up top with a glass cover, so that glass cover gives you more counter space when not using your burners. It does feature a high-rise faucet with a stainless steel sink, and it does have a storage compartment down below. Okay, moving to your bathroom, you're going to notice you've got a separate toilet, separate sink, and separate shower in this particular model. It does have a medicine cabinet and storage up top above your toilet, above your sink. As you move over, you're going to see you've got a skylight in your shower. It gives you plenty of head clearance. And then coming down, you're going to have your tub / shower. And then it does have the shower miser as well, so that you can not waste a bunch of holding water and fresh water while you're waiting for your shower to warm up. Next, we're going to go to the bunks. Going to the very rear of the trailer, you're going to have two nice bunk beds. They do feature the nice softer material, teddy bear mattress material, so they're real soft. You've got two drawers down below, and then also two more storage compartment doors right there to your right, for extra storage and everything as well. Geo Pro does feature the 200-watt solar panel that comes mounted on top of the unit, so that comes standard as well now on the 2023s. Some final quick notes here. You're going to see the Rockwood Difference, okay? They have superior construction, Azdel construction, 5/8 tongue and groove plywood, Fully laminated walk-on roof. It is a full 6-side aluminum frame construction, aluminum floor joists, frameless windows, aluminum truss on your roof bracing, fiberglass front cap, and automotive glass windshield. Comes standard features are going to be your Kia light system, your backup camera prep, your 200-watt solar panel with a 1,000-watt inverter and 30-amp controller. Max air fan is standard in the bathroom. It does feature a Teton all-in-one Wi-Fi prep and antenna. It does have the sport and wheel package, so it has the off-road tires, a little bit more clearance underneath. Additional solar prep can be added. It does feature a double battery box and then 2 20-pound propane tanks. Safety and standards package does come with the MoreRide solid sport steps, your tire pressure monitoring system, your Dexter torsion axles, and your nitrogen filled tires. And lastly, you're going to go with your climate protection package, which features 12-volt heated holding tanks and radiant foil insulation in your front and cap. All right, again, thank you. My name is Mitch Eilerman. If you've got any questions at all, I've been here for almost 18 years now. You can reach me directly at 937-843-4380. Go over any questions you have. If this particular unit doesn't work for you, I'm very knowledgeable of floor plans. I'd love to help you out. I'll help narrow something down, give you some options, and I'd love to help you out and earn your business. Thank you for your time today.